I was trying to make a talking AI avatar, but every image I generated was unrealistic and low quality. You too, right? But what if I told you there's a way to actually make one that doesn't suck? All of the tools I will show you are free. Stick around, I'll show you how. Hey content creators, ever wanted to have your own AI avatar without needing a fancy studio or even being on camera yourself? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into how you can create a talking AI avatar absolutely free using some awesome AI tools. Let's get started. First things first, what tools will you need? We're going to use a fantastic combo: Leonardo AI for generating our avatar's image, Ka AI to upscale and make it look super sharp, and DubDub to bring it to life with animation. So, head over to Leonardo AI. They even give you daily credits to play around with image creation, which is pretty sweet. Here, you can really personalize your avatar. Want a specific age, gender, look? You can tweak all those settings. You can get the prompt in the description, play around with the different styles and even the contrast to get the exact vibe you're going for. They have some cool presets too, like cinematic, which can instantly elevate your image. Once you're happy with the base look, it's time to generate your image. You'll see options for dimensions and file size. Choose what works best for your needs. Now, a little tip. Keep an eye on your credits so you don't run out mid-creation. If you do, no worries, you can always create another account or just wait for them to refresh. Got your avatar image? Awesome. Now, let's make it even better with Ka AI. This tool is fantastic for upscaling your images. Upscaling basically means making your image higher quality and more detailed, perfect for that professional touch. See the difference? Much sharper. Now that we have our stunning avatar image, let's talk about giving it a voice. For this, we can use DubDub. This platform lets you add voiceovers and animate your avatar to make it talk. When it comes to voice options, you've got choices. DubDub might have some built-in options, but you can also explore high-quality text-to-speech from places like OpenAI or even 11 Labs. Tools like 11 Labs can really take your voiceovers to the next level with incredibly realistic-sounding voices. Even their basic plan offers some impressive quality. Finally, you might end up with a watermark on your animated avatar. No problem. You can easily remove those using free video editing software like CapCut. Just import your video and look for the watermark removal tools. And there you have it.
Hi guys, I'm from Online Income Architect. Subscribe the channel.
Creating a talking AI avatar for free is totally achievable with these awesome tools. Leonardo AI for the image, Ka AI for upscaling, and DubDub for animation, with a little help from CapCut for that final polish. So, what kind of AI avatar are you going to create? Let me know in the comments below.